So this took me maybe 10 minutes total to sketch up. Just drew the tube, and then I kind of already roughly knew where I wanted the tabs. So just place the tabs there, get the holes in, get all the stuff done. From there, you create a flat pattern of it, and then create a drawing. And then what I do is I print these out. So this is my 3 pieces. There'll be multiples of each of them, basically. You print them out, and then I'll show you here in a second. I cut them out, cut the pieces of paper out, and trace it over a piece of metal, plasma out with it by hand, kind of touch it up with the grinder, and they're pretty decent brackets. So if you have access to a plasma table, this works a lot better. You can just send the files, the DXF, to the plasma table and get them cut. No big deal. My brother has a plasma table, and I have him cut a lot of stuff, but he's 40 miles away. It's currently kind of a snow blizzard, so I'm cutting these out by hand. I've done probably half and half of my work is either by hand or him, one or the other, depending on what goes on and how quick I'm in need for it. So I'm going to cut these out really quick out of my rusty metal and get them cleaned up, and then I'll show you what I got when I'm done. Okay, about 2 minutes later with the plasma, here's what I'm left with. Now I'll just kind of do some grinding on my bell sander really quick and clean the stuff up, make it nice, and then sandblast it. Alright, couple minutes with a bell sander, couple minutes with a die grinder on the holes, and couple minutes on the sandblaster. They're ready to get welded on. Alright, that's all welded up, or not welded up, tacked. I'll go through and weld it up nice and all that. But yeah, that's the end of that.